Okay guys, this is unboxing of my Phillips hairdryer which I bought at Harvey Norman today. The date is 4th November. Yeah, and hairdryer 5000, and it's fast drying with no heat damage with thermal shield. So I bought this at 219 at Harvey. The reason is because like I cannot wait for 11, but I know you guys like waiting for 11, and that's another story. But yeah, I have this problem and I need to like walk the walk and not talk the talk in terms of like cutting my expenditure, especially when it comes to shopping spree. So the reason I bought this is because of it has ionizer 4 times, 20% faster, and 2300 watt. The reason is 20% fast. I bought this because I think you guys from my previous unboxing video, I bought a few. One is like really cheap hairdryer from online and from another country, which is like I'm very disappointed with the performance of that, but that's okay. It's like really cheap. So I decided like next time should I spend extra money, just a little bit, top up a little bit and get a good hairdryer. That's because like nowadays the traffic is really crazy during peak hours. So so I wash my hair every day, guys. I don't know why I else get oily. So you know, I need a fast one in the morning, or sometimes I arrive late at night. So this is my first time looking at this. I saw this at Harvey and I'm like, I don't want to wait for 11, which I think I will regret when I saw the price online. But that, you know, there's a difference between like cash and carry. So this is how it looks like. What will I get? Because I bought this during lunchtime, so I didn't like actually like properly assess what else. So ada lubang. Okay. I like this. Hey, transparent. And this is the hairdryer. Sorry, I'm gonna start. This is what you guys know. This is how I did my unboxing. Even like through Singapore. This one is the background. Okay, pause. Okay, so this unboxing include like demo of what I'm getting. So overall, I tried this. This is my 4th hairdryer, and finally, I think it's like it always goes to like sometimes just spend a little bit extra and you get a better quality, you know, rather than like, okay, I'll just buy online, you know, whatever is on sale, and sometimes the description does not fit seriously, like especially those who are like not a very huge commercial brand. But this one, until I can afford that certain hair dryer that is like cost me like ringgit Malaysia 2,200 right now, plus I think this Phillips hair dryer for 2,300 watt does the good job, especially like when I wake up early morning. Yes, I wake up at 5 in the morning, and it does the job. Seriously, it's quite strong. Of course, it's value for money for the price. I think I mentioned earlier in my unboxing how much I got it, 200 something from Harvey Norman. I think so far I'm quite happy. Seriously, not bad. So a little bit demo only for you guys. Yeah, so not bad, and the heat is good, especially for morning one. Yes, so I hope you guys enjoy my unboxing for the Phillips hairdryer. Bye.